Welcome to Real World SQL Server from the ground up, where I'll take you through the entire process of how to start your journey into the realm of the SQL Server DBA. My name is Mike West, and I'm a senior level SQL Server DBA and enthusiast of all things SQL Server. Real World SQL Server from the ground up is a course for anyone who wants to learn more about SQL Server. Throughout the course, we will cover course material used by real world SQL Server DBAs and walk you through a step-by-step process for learning the basics of SQL Server. Because our goal is to get you up to speed as quickly as possible, we'll cover the many tasks that a DBA deals with every day. Installation basics, creating our database shell, manipulating the actual database files, creating the table object, the basics of Transact SQL, and the core concepts behind the stored procedure. This course is designed for enthusiastic SQL Server learners who want to take their skills to the next level. You're a beginner with SQL Server who's comfortable with computers but wants to know more. You're contemplating a career as a SQL Server DBA. Thanks for your interest in real-world SQL Server from the ground up. I hope you're as excited as I am. If you're ready to learn more and sign up for the course, go ahead and hit the Enroll button, or take a test drive by using the free preview feature. See you in the course.